watch this one. Okay, Kyle, can you sit in your bed? Sit. Okay. Wait. Wait. Okay. I open it for you, okay? Okay. Do you want to sit next to your Kia doggy? Yeah, you want to sit next to Kia doggy? Yeah. So Kyle's like, no, I am too busy, Kia. Okay. I'll give you a piece right there, okay? Oh, look at this. So this is a pork recipe. This is the first time Kyle's trying it. Pork recipe. Okay, let's see if Kyle enjoys it. So this one is the pork recipe earth animal. No high pork recipe. So he likes this one. Kyle used to have the salmon recipe. This is the pork recipe. Kyle, how do you like it? Does it meet your approval, the pork recipe? Yeah. You like both? Seems you like both. I guess time will tell to see which one you like more. Oh, Kaya, so handsome.